The video provides an in-depth exploration of Saudi Arabia's transformation from barren desert lands into a thriving source of revenue, primarily focusing on its agricultural sector. The key points covered include: Saudi Arabia, located in Western Asia, faced agricultural challenges due to its harsh climate, scorching temperatures, and insufficient rainfall. The country historically struggled with water scarcity, widespread hunger, and limited arable land. In 1938, the discovery of oil marked a turning point for Saudi Arabia's economy. The video mentions a mysterious and groundbreaking plan initiated in 1934, which eventually led to the discovery of significant oil reserves. The arid conditions and limited rainfall in Saudi Arabia posed substantial challenges for agriculture. Only a small portion of the southwest region was suitable for cultivation, and the country heavily relied on food imports. Saudi Arabia is rich in natural resources, particularly oil, which accounts for about 16% of the global total. Other resources include natural gas, minerals, gold, copper, zinc, phosphate, bauxite, uranium, high-quality silica sand, and archaeological sites. The video emphasizes that the transformation of desert lands into profitable agriculture goes beyond modern irrigation practices. In the 1970s, Saudi Arabia invested significantly in technology, technical equipment, and infrastructure to convert arid terrain into productive farmland. Saudi Arabia addressed water scarcity through the construction of deep tube wells, tapping into aquifers, and desalination efforts. Desalination stations produce over 3 million cubic meters of potable water daily, with 70% of the country's water coming from desalination. The government played a crucial role in supporting local farmers through interest-free loans, technical assistance, and tax incentives. The Ministry of Agriculture and the Saudi Arabian Agricultural Bank, SAB, were actively involved in implementing beneficial policies. Saudi Arabia achieved self-sufficiency in commodities like meat, milk, eggs, and fish. The country transitioned from being a wheat importer to an exporter, and initiatives led to the production of various agricultural goods. In recent years, Saudi Arabia has become a hub for exporting wheat, dates, dairy products, eggs, fish, poultry, fruits, and vegetables. The government has implemented programs and initiatives to support agriculture, including land distribution, research funding, and support for the private sector. The video discusses the Vision 2030 plan, a comprehensive initiative to diversify the Saudi economy, reduce oil dependence, and promote technological advancement. Ambitious projects like NEOM and the Red Sea Project are highlighted, showcasing Saudi Arabia's commitment to innovation and economic development. Vision 2030 emphasizes the importance of empowering Saudi youth, promoting gender equality, and fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. The government has committed significant investments in research, development, and innovation. Saudi Arabia collaborates with various nations, forming partnerships in economic and investment projects. The country is known for its charitable donations and contributions to global initiatives, particularly in health and humanitarian aid. The agricultural market in Saudi Arabia is experiencing significant growth, with estimated values and projections for various sectors, including advanced agricultural technologies. Saudi Arabia is recognized for its contributions to international organizations, demonstrating commitment to addressing global challenges and supporting humanitarian causes. The video concludes by inviting viewers to share their thoughts on the most noteworthy innovation achieved by Saudi Arabia. The video emphasizes the unique and innovative approaches adopted by Saudi Arabia to overcome its geographical constraints. The scarcity of arable land, coupled with limited rainfall, historically confined the cultivation of crops to narrow strips of coastline. However, the nation's proactive response to its challenges began with the implementation of visionary solutions, notably the construction of dams with the aim of addressing water scarcity. Unexpectedly, during the construction of one such dam in 1934, the nation stumbled upon a colossal reserve of oil, fundamentally altering its economic landscape. With the newfound oil wealth, the Saudi Arabian government embarked on a purposeful and mysterious plan to diversify its economy and transform the agricultural sector. The government invested significantly in technology, technical equipment, and infrastructure to convert arid terrain into productive farmland. This marked the beginning of a revolutionary era for Saudi Arabia's agriculture, characterized by the adoption of cutting-edge farming technologies and rural infrastructure development in the 1970s. Water scarcity, a persistent challenge, was addressed through intelligent planning, including the construction of deep tube wells and desalination efforts. Desalination, utilizing the country's abundant coastlines, made Saudi Arabia the world's largest producer of desalinated water. The strategic initiatives implemented not only transformed the desert lands into fertile farmland but also positioned Saudi Arabia as a global success story in agriculture. The video concludes by outlining the future trajectory of Saudi Arabia, particularly through the lens of Vision 2030, a comprehensive plan for economic and social reform introduced by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. This visionary plan aims to diversify the economy, reduce dependence on oil, and propel the nation into a technologically advanced and sustainable future. Ambitious projects like NEOM and the Red Sea Project signify Saudi Arabia's commitment to innovation, technology, and global leadership. Importantly, the video underscores Saudi Arabia's contributions to global initiatives, highlighting collaborations with other nations, charitable donations, and active participation in addressing humanitarian crises. The engaging narrative encourages viewers to share their perspectives on the most noteworthy innovation achieved by Saudi Arabia, fostering interaction and discussion around the country's transformative journey. Overall, the video paints a comprehensive picture of Saudi Arabia's remarkable journey in transforming its desert lands into a prosperous agricultural hub and its broader efforts toward economic diversification and technological advancement. Saudi Arabia embarked on a purposeful journey to convert arid terrain into productive farmland, investing significantly in technology, technical equipment, and rural infrastructure. Initiatives in the 1970s led to a considerable expansion of crop output, achieving self-sufficiency in commodities such as meat, milk, eggs, and fish. The country transitioned from a wheat importer to an exporter, with the government supporting local farmers through interest-free loans, technical assistance, and tax incentives. The scarcity of water was addressed through deep tube wells, tapping into aquifers, and desalination efforts. Desalination stations now produce over 3 million cubic meters of potable water daily. Recycled water from domestic waste became a source for irrigation. The government implemented various programs and initiatives, including land distribution and recuperation, research projects, and support for the private sector. Saudi Arabia's agricultural success is further propelled by initiatives such as the Smart Farm Program, a collaboration with Mitsubishi and Zero SRL, aiming to develop vertical smart farms. The government's Vision 2030 plan, introduced by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, outlines comprehensive economic and social reforms to diversify the economy, reduce dependence on oil, and position Saudi Arabia as a global leader in technology. The agriculture market in Saudi Arabia is experiencing significant growth, with investments in advanced agricultural technologies and a focus on organic production. Initiatives such as the Red Sea Project and NEOM aim to create world-class destinations for tourism and sustainable living. Additionally, the country actively collaborates with other nations on economic and investment projects and contributes to global health initiatives and humanitarian aid. In conclusion, Saudi Arabia's journey from struggling with limited water availability and extensive desert lands to becoming a country with vast fertile farmland is a testament to strategic planning, substantial investments, and innovative initiatives. The most noteworthy innovation lies in the comprehensive transformation of its agricultural sector, turning challenges into opportunities and securing a promising future for the kingdom.